Hey guys, it's Mika again. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Huawei's latest flagship audio device, the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. With its latest iteration, we're expecting some big upgrades. Think better sound quality with the introduction of HUAWEI Sound, clearer calls, and even more effective noise cancellation. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. One thing I really appreciate is that aesthetics are never an afterthought for Huawei. You can really see that in the attention to detail and overall craftsmanship, not just in the earbuds, but in the case itself too. The FreeBuds Pro 4 looks and feels premium with a sleek modern finish that's sure to turn heads. It comes in minimalist color options so you can choose between black or white. Straight out of the box, you get medium-sized ear tips, but you can still choose from a variety of sizes. When it comes to wearing the earbuds, they're snug yet comfortable. You'll barely feel any discomfort during long listening periods. Plus, there's no need to worry about them falling off. This is thanks to the shape memory foam ear tips. We'll talk about this more later. Now, let's talk about sound quality. The FreeBuds Pro 4 features a dual driver setup with an 11mm quad magnet dynamic driver and a planar diaphragm driver. Huawei is also bringing lossless sound quality to the FreeBuds Pro 4 with up to 2.3 megabits per second with EMUI 15. So what does this mean for listeners? Since the earbuds can transmit audio at a higher bit rate, the listening experience becomes more immersive with richer, more detailed sound. Whether you're vibing to your favorite pop artist or rocking out to a band, you'll love singing along with the clear vocals, smooth mids, and punchy bass. Personally, I can't wait to use this to pump myself up during workouts. Imagine you're out for a girls' night and you need to take an important call, but it's super noisy around you. That's where call privacy protection comes in. It isolates up to 100 decibels of background noise, making sure your calls stay clear and stable. The FreeBuds Pro 4 also features intelligent dynamic active noise cancellation, which adjusts in real time based on your surrounding noise. And as I mentioned earlier, it comes with shape memory foam ear tips. Together, they reduce up to 50% more noise, ensuring clearer sound no matter where you are. For gesture controls, you can pinch, tap, swipe, and hold the stem for different commands. You can customize this in the Huawei AI Live app. This makes it easy to answer or reject calls, play or pause music, among others. What's new though is the head motion control, letting you answer calls with a nod or reject them with a shake of your head. Users can also enjoy dual device connectivity. No need to reconnect your earbuds each time. It automatically pairs with your device like your laptop and smartphone all at once. Huawei smartphone users get to enjoy additional perks with a smart charging feature. This helps preserve your earbuds' battery health over time. According to Huawei, the FreeBuds Pro 4 delivers up to 33 hours of battery life, with 7 hours of listening time on a single charge with active noise cancellation off. If this is enabled, you can still get 30 hours with 6 hours on a single charge. That means you can keep jamming to your favorite tunes without worrying about recharging. Perfect for long flights or when you're just out and about. The last thing you want to think about is hitting pause. So does the FreeBuds Pro live up to the hype? The answer is a resounding yes. It's got the looks to get you hooked and the sound to keep you coming back. But it's not just about that. We're talking motion-based controls, two-way silent calls, advanced noise cancellation, and long battery life. For the price of $10,999, it's pretty much everything you'd want in a pair of earbuds and more. It's sure to be a hit with casual listeners, audiophiles, and professionals with its immersive audio experience and crystal clear calls. That's all for today. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.